Live unit testing can be enabled from the impacted unit test view by clicking the blue play button with the yellow scrolling arrow. If the button is highlighted, you know it's enabled. Now when a user modifies a line of code, the AI will analyze which tests correlate with the recently saved code changes, and will execute the test cases under the hood while the developer continues to code. The baseline coverage is adjustable if changes are needed for test detection. In the impacted unit test view, we can see which tests were executed. These test executions help validate that the changes did not introduce new bugs or break existing functionality. Typically, developers need to run the entire suite of unit tests to ensure that they executed all tests related to their modified code, which can be time consuming depending on the number of tests and the extent of daily changes. Alternatively, they might spend considerable time identifying which specific tests are associated with the modified code. Instead, Jtest's built-in AI automatically detects and runs the relevant test cases, providing feedback on which changes caused issues without requiring manual input from the developer.